Morning, peeps. It's a sunshiny morning here. A little bit of glare. You can tell I look a little tired and rough around the edges today. I just woke up. It's Tuesday, the whatever day it is. I don't know. It's the second day after breaking my fast, and I feel like caca. I I ate a little too much yesterday, which if you saw what I ate, you would be like, no way. But I didn't overeat, but I kind of did. And I didn't quite stick to the guidelines because I was hungry. I was so excited about having food. I broke my fast around 2, a little after 2, and I had a pureed cream of broccoli and spinach soup, which is perfect. I could only eat about half of it, and the serving was only 1.5 cups. So that's 12 ounces, and got full. So I stopped eating. And then a few hours later, around dinner time, I was hungry again. So I didn't want the soup. I wanted something a little different. And so I made like a child's portion, a child's plate serving of, we had some leftover egg and tuna salad. Of course, I made the mistake of opening the fridge. I should have decided what I was going to eat first, but I opened the fridge and there was the tuna egg salad. There was some tzatziki that I had made the week before when my friend's family came over, and yeah, and then a couple of the little Parmesan or Asiago cheese crackers that I had made. They're just like melted cheese, basically, and some spices. So crisps, more like crisps, unless you're from the UK. So again, little tiny, I made like a little ramekin each of those, and I couldn't eat the tzatziki. It was because I hadn't eaten in a week. The garlic was just too strong, so I kind of mixed that with some cottage cheese. And I was, trying to keep it high fat, low carb. So that's why I made those choices. Again, I could only eat like half of what I put on the plate. I put most of it back. But I had a craving for, I'd been looking at recipes because that's what you do when you're fasting. You get hungry and you start looking at recipes. It's crazy. My friend, before I started fasting, she told me like the first week into her fast, she watched the Food Network for like 12 hours straight. I'm like, why would you do that to yourself? That's crazy. She's like, I don't know, but I couldn't stop myself. And now I understand because as I get toward the last few days of my fast, I'm just thinking about what I'm going to eat when I break my fast, the day after I break my fast. And apparently that's not uncommon. Everybody does that. They just start thinking, okay, what is my meal going to be? I can't wait to eat food. So it's kind of funny. So I'd been looking at recipes, and of course I'm looking at all the fat bomb recipes, and I have my little sweet tooth. But again, I feel a little more free of that because now I know I can have sweets that are keto style. So substituting sugar for xylitol for sugar, and no sugar, no flour, that sort of thing. Nolans, my friend is from Louisiana, so. I decided to have a coffee too, which I was not going to have coffee anymore because I broke that. But today I decided I would have coffee, and let me tell you why.